Gabi Bohol ug sa tanang mga bulanon sa tibuok kalibutan, ania kita karon sa CPG Park para sa Kasadya Pasko sa Bohol 2019. Dali, uban ko.
Kasadya Pasko sa Bohol was originally conceptualized by the governor, Governor Archap, even before he assumed office, because his vision for Bohol is to bring Bohol into the world. And Bohol can be brought to the world through our culture, through our heritage, through our faith, and through the people, through the Boholanos. So there is the very treasure of Bohol is our own culture, our own faith. So he wants to showcase Bohol as a religious people with a culture which is founded or based on faith. So this was conceptualized by the governor, and then he passed it through CCAD and call in the arts and heritage and culture community, and then this is it now.
Kasadya!
Okay, so what makes you excited about the place?
It's the food. The variety
the light.
of the food.
The place is great.
Kasadya!
100 things from other.
Kasadya!
I invite you all here at the CPG Park, Kasadya sa Bohol, until December 15, 2019 from 5 till 10 p.m.